ready to rumble in the web hosting arena. First up, Vercel, the undisputed champion of simplicity and speed, making deployment a breeze with its seamless Git integration to deploy on Vercel. Connect your Git repository, and Vercel automatically builds and deploys your front-end and back-end code with every push. This platform excels with static sites and single-page applications, offering built-in serverless functions and CDN capabilities for lightning-fast performance. Now entering the ring, Coolify, the open-source contender giving you complete control over your hosting environment. With Coolify, you can deploy applications, databases, and services on your own infrastructure, offering flexibility for complex setups. To get started with Coolify, install it on your server, connect your Git repository, and configure your deployment settings. This solution is perfect for those who need fine-grained control and prefer open-source solutions, supporting various application types and offering extensive customization options. So, who wins? Vercel shines with its user-friendly interface and automated workflows, ideal for simpler projects. Coolify, on the other hand, caters to users who desire more control and open-source flexibility. When it comes to pricing, Vercel offers generous free-tier options, whereas Coolify eliminates platform fees by running on your own infrastructure. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your project's requirements and your comfort level with managing infrastructure. Vercel is your go-to for quick and easy deployments. Coolify is your champion when you need full control.